histograms. So this histogram is already filled in, and it can tell us information about whatever it is. So day 1, so like they have days, so they already filled in the days. Now they want us to fill in the distance traveled. So this one, day 1, is 359 miles. 359. Day 2 is 460. Day 3 is 278. Day 4 is 547. And day 5 is 360. So these are miles. So I'm going to write the distance / the unit of how we're doing, miles. That's what the unit is. And day 6, they already traveled all the miles. That's why they all have a day 6. Now this is the year of how many people were born. Of course, this isn't realistic. This is just made up. It isn't actually true. So, year 2007 number of births, 4.32 million. So so this is 4 million, so I just have to do a little bit over. I would say that would be right about here. I would say about that. 2008, 400.4 million.25. Births in millions. So it doesn't actually say 4.32 million. So this is just my estimate of how much that would be. 2008, I think would be a little bit lower. No, I think a little bit higher. Right about here. No, I think it should be higher. And in 2009, 4.13, right about, I would say about here. 2010, 4. So 4 million would be about there. 2011, so right here, 395. I would say about there. In 2012, the same, so I write the here. Now, just before doing that, I'm just going to do this. So this is slightly going down. So now I'm going to do a color in the points. So you can notice the pattern on this, and the conclusion of how the births are getting is the birth rate is getting down lower and lower. First it's 4.32, 4.25, 4.13, 4, 3.95, 3.95 million. So we're going to do statistics and probability, so we have to find the mean and median here. So mean means average, because you might not heard of the mean, but you might heard of the average, because that's basically what mean is, average. So what a technique is that you could add all these numbers together and divide by how many numbers there were. Median is like we need to sort all these numbers in order and then find out which one is in the middle. So we're going to try medium. So we have to sort all these numbers in order. So 2, 3, 5, 8, 8, 12, 15. Now I'm going to check if I have all the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the medium is right. So in the middle would be, it's definitely going to be 8. So the middle will be the here 8. So the 8 in the middle will split the numbers into 2 groups. Numbers that are less than 8 and numbers that are greater or equal to 8. So I'm going to write MED equals 8. This is just how I'm going to say median. Mean is I'm going to do the 12, 15, 12, 8, 8, 5. So let's see. I could just arrange it. So 8, 12, 8, 8, 5, 3, 2. Plus. So I'm gonna make some 10s. And so 10, 10, 10. Only 3 can't make a 10. So 33. So 3, 3. So 1 and 33. 1, 2, 5. And now I have to divide all the numbers that I use. And that is 7. I'm going to do that on the division table just to make sure to get any, so it's exact. 3, 7. And nope, yes, 7, 749. So 7, 749 minus equals 4. I mean, it's going to be approximately like about 7. So this is me equals, or I shouldn't say equals. I'm going to say almost equals to 7. Almost. That's what I'm going to say, that